Hello, hi everyone. Let's solve this problem. This is the indefinite integral problem. So we have sine to the power 4x dx. Correct. This can be written like 1 by 4, and here 2 sine square, and this is like this. We can write. Correct. So this is no issue. Now in the next step we can write 1 by 4, right, and here 1 minus cos 2x square dx. Correct. So in the next step 1 by 4, and here 1 plus cos 2x square minus 2 cos 2x, correct, dx. So this we can expand, but 2 should be there, right? So we should multiply all across 2 and divide by 2. So divide by 2 means like 4 it was there, so 4 into 2 8. Now this is 2 plus 2 cos square 2x minus 4 cos 2x, correct, and this is dx. Now this is what, 1 plus, this is 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x, correct. This is 1 plus cos 4x. Okay, now 4 cos 2x, correct, dx. So 2 plus 1 3, we can 3 by 8 dx we can do, plus 1 by 8 cos 4x dx minus, this is 4 by 8 cos 2x dx, right? That is correct. Now this is 2, correct. So here 3 by 3x by 8, correct, and this is cos. Cos is what, sine 4x, and here 32, correct, minus 1 by 4 means cos, this is also sine 2x divided by 4 plus c, correct. So 2 was there and coefficient will come down here also, it was there, so 32, and this, so 3x by 8 plus sine 4x by 32 minus sine 2x by 4 plus c is the answer of this problem. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.